Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question. There are two questions. This is the simple interest part 4. There are two questions. The first question is, what principal will earn a simple interest of rupees 1250 at 5% per annum for 1 year? PA means per annum. So you have to find out the principal for the same. What principal will earn? So SI is what? SI is given is what? 1250. R is given 5% and T is given 1 year. तो P का वैल्यू आराम से you can find out. We know SI का फॉर्मूला is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So if you have to find out the P, 100 will go here and R and T will go here. So cross multiply. So the formula becomes SI into 100 upon R into T equal to P. P will be there, rest will come here. So this is in division will go into multiplications. This is multiplication will go into division. So cross, it is going cross. The formula becomes this one. You can read it out as P equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. So we'll use this formula. So what is the SI here? SI ka value is 1250. Simple interest is rupees 1250. R is equal to what? Capital R or small r, whatever it is, 5%. T equal to what? 1 year. So P equal to SI into 100. SI 1250 into 100 upon R into T, 5 into 1. Okay, so now you have to solve this equation and you will get the answer easily. So this way you can cut 5 to the 10, 0 ka 0, 5, 20 is 100, 20 into 12, 50 upon 1. So 20, 0 ka 0, 20 में 10, 20 ये आ गया upon 1. So this becomes 25,000. So this would be the principal. So the principal would be 25,000 will earn a simple interest of 1250 at 5% per annum. Okay, for 1 year. So the second question will do. The second question says, in how many years will 1500 yield an interest of 300 at 10% per annum simple interest? So P is given. In how many years will rupees 1500 means rupees 1500 is what? So rupees 1500 is, this is nothing but P. Okay, interest of rupees, it is given in rupees, so it is simple interest. It is not in percentage, it is simple interest. On this is R or capital R, whatever it is. Okay, so how many years? It means you have to find out the T. So T you have to find out. Okay, P given 1500, SI given 300, R given 10%, SI equal to P into R into T. So same formula you will apply. SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so put the value of P. P is nothing but kitna? 1500. R is nothing but kitna? 10. T की जगह पे T upon 100 की जगह पे 100 and SI की जगह पे, चलो ये फॉर्मूला ऐसे ही रहने दो. I'll put it down. I'll write it down. Write down the values here. So SI is 300. Okay, P is 1500. R is 10%. T is T upon 100. This in division, this goes here, and chalo we'll solve it. We can solve it here. 2 zeros can say 15 10 ja 150, 150 into t, so 150t equal to 300, so t equal to 300 upon 150, it means 2, so 2 years, so t equal to 2 years, so in how many years? 2 years it will earn interest of this. So do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.